Have you found the right product, but wish you could get a better deal? Well, good news. Now you can.
Ooh.
On a product page, click Negotiate Now to begin the process. It will take you to IO Community where you can submit your price inquiry. Simply fill out the details such as the quantity, the desired price, schedule details such as blanket or spot order, the warehouse, and even provide additional comments and instructions about your request. Then finally, once it's all done, simply press Create. The seller will then instantly get your price inquiry. They'll review your offer and can either counter with an offer of their own or accept your bid. A new order will automatically be created for you in your account on Ingredients Online. This feature gives you the power to get the best possible prices. Try price inquiry now, only on IO Community. Smarter sourcing starts here.